Adriana, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a monthly box and bag subscription unboxing. First of all, I'm going to be doing BoxyCharm. Who doesn't love BoxyCharm, right? This is going to be the month of March. I received my box a couple of days ago, and I decided to recreate a look with the items that we have inside here, except for the mascara. And the brushes, I did not use those as well. If you do not know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription, a makeup subscription. It is $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size or deluxe samples. You can get skincare, hair care, brushes, and you can get makeup. First of all, it's going to be the card that we always get. This month I got variation 1. Okay. And behind, you're just going to see the prices of the stuff we got in our box. So I will tell you that at the end. First of all, I see the Double Decker Lashes Mascara from Butter Linden. Okay. I did not try on this mascara because I have a lot of mascaras and I just don't want to open more mascaras at the moment. So this is what it looks like. Next, we got a Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. There are 3 brushes. Let's see. They're a little bit hard to get out of here. Okay. I like the fact that they still put packaging in them, even though they're still in a box. That's really great. Just for double protection, you can say. Okay, so these are your 3 brushes. They do come in steps. The first one says step 1 for the money. And it's just your regular shading brush. Step 2 says for the shadow. And this is an angle fluffy brush, pretty much for your crease and pretty much just blending out your eyeshadow. And the last one would be Go Girl Go. And this is just a smaller shading brush. Pretty much you can use it to pack on your shimmer shadows or whatever other kind of shadow you used in the middle of your eyelids. So this is really, really good. 3 brushes in a subscription box. Who doesn't like that, right? Brushes are really expensive nowadays, so why not? Okay, next I see the South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs. Looks like this. It says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. I have never heard of this brand before, so I guess we can try it and see how it works. I will be trying to do a video at the end of every month, trying, like, after I try all the products from the BoxyCharm, and to review pretty much to see if they're good or not and stuff like that. So this is how it looks once you take them out from the box. And it just says pretty much just to use them under your eye area and stuff like that. Next, I see something really, really pretty. It is the Pretty Vulgar Blush. It is in the shade Hush Blush, or Make Them Blush. I'm not sure, to be honest. But it is some really, really pretty packaging. I really enjoy stuff like this that is it kind of just stands out and catches your attention. Let's see. Ooh, this is a really pretty shade. There you go. And let me do just a swatch for you. So this is how it swatches. And It's a little bit chalky, but it's not that bad. It's a really pretty color, and I did use this on my cheeks right now. You probably won't be able to tell much because I'm just a little bit more darker skin tone, so it's a little bit light for my skin tone, but it's buildable, and I mean, you can kind of see it, and it's really beautiful on the skin. And last but not least, we have a palette. It looks like this. This is a BoxyCharm and Pure Cosmetics collaboration. And these are the colors. They are gorgeous colors. I honestly see myself using all the colors. The eye look that I recreated today is I actually used this palette here, and the colors are really blendable, but they do have a little bit of fallout. And the shimmer shadows, I would have to say they actually have a lot of pigment, so that's really good. I'll be swatching you some of the shadows just so you guys can have an idea of how they kind of look. I'm going to be swatching the color Squad, this one right here. I don't know if you can tell. There you go. Okay. Next, I'll be swatching the color Charmer, which would be this one right here. There you go. I'm not sure if you can pick that up. It would be this color right here. And I'm going to be doing this blue color in the shade Mia. It is a really blue, like a really light blue color, but it is gorgeous. I actually used a little bit of that underneath my waterline, and it's beautiful. But this is the color. It looks really nice, to be honest. I actually love this palette, and I think I will be using it a lot more. Like I said, at the end of the month, I'm going to be doing a review video with all the products pretty much, just to see if they worked out for me or if I'm just going to pass them on to somebody else and stuff like that. So for the prices, I forgot to tell you guys, but so the Eyeshadow Palette retails for $36. The Double Decker Lash Mascara retails for $20, and the South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels retails for $10. The Vintage Cosmetic Brush Set retails for $23.15. That is kind of like an odd number. And the Pretty Vulgar Blush retails for $26. So it was a really great box. I have not been subscribed to BoxyCharm for a very long time, but so far they have been impressing me really good, and I believe, in my opinion, that this is the best box that I have received so far. We shall see what the next month brings us. And my next unboxing or bagging is going to be Ipsy. This is going to be the month for March as well, and this is what the bag looks like. I really think that it's a beautiful bag. I love that it's just black and white, and it has this just pop of pink. I think it's really nice. And let's see what we got this month. So first off, I see some markers in here, and I'm pretty sure this is just to color your bag. So I guess we shall see how it comes out. Okay. Next, I see the little card that we always get. Okay. Next, I see this is, I honestly don't know how to say this. I'm probably going to butcher this up. But it's La Botica Transforming Liquid Foil Mask. It says that it's for all skin types. And it just pretty much says that it's a peel-off mask with pearl extract. So I guess we shall try it out and see how it works out, because I actually do need some really good new skincare, I want to say. Okay, next I feel a tube, and this is Lash Eller Mascara Wake Up and Go by London. This is what it looks like. It's such a small tube. Like I said, I have a lot of mascaras open right now, but it's okay, it's just a sample size. Oh wow, that doesn't really have a lot of mascara in it. But the wand seems a little bit weird. It's kind of curved, but there is a lot of bristles in it. So this might actually work. I shall give it a try and then see how it goes. Next, ooh, well that felt. Next, it's going to be the City Glow Duo Cream and Powder. So this is just a powder, a cream highlight, and a powder highlight. I have never really used this brand before. I've heard of it a lot, but I've never tried really the products. This is what it looks like, and let me do some swatches for y'all. So first I'm going to be doing the powder. Oh, that's really beautiful. Especially for my skin tone, I think that it's really going to work since I'm a little darker. But I really like this color. If not, if it's a little too darker for your skin tone, you can also use this as an eyeshadow. I'm pretty sure it would look beautiful on the eyes as well. Let's see how the cream feels. Just by the touch, it feels a little bit greasy. I honestly don't think there's going to be a lot of pigment or color coming out of it. Oh, it actually does. So it actually does come out with a lot of pigment. I feel like it's a little bit too white for my skin tone, like I said, but maybe you can use it with an eyeshadow or something in your eyes. Next, I feel, okay, this is a Freematic eyeshadow by Deuce. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that either. I've heard a lot of this brand, but I haven't really ever tried their eyeshadows. So I guess there's always a first time for everything, right? This is a little pan it comes in. As you can see, it's a little bit tiny, but you can put it in a magnet Z palette, and I'm pretty sure you can just use it with other eyeshadows as well. Let me do a quick swatch for you guys. This is the color right here. It's actually a really pretty like pink purple color, and it kind of looks, or it kind of goes with the eyeshadow look that I have going on right now. I should probably try it and see how this one goes as well. And last but not least, I have a brush. I love getting brushes in Ipsy or any other subscription box because brushes are just so expensive nowadays. And when you get a brush for such a cheap price, like with Ipsy, $10 a month, I just really think it's outstanding when you receive something like this. So this is by SL Miss Glam. It's just a pink and purple brush, synthetic bristles. It feels really soft. I love the detail on the handle. It's just really sparkly and it catches my attention right away. It also has two little diamonds right here, and it makes it look really nice. I also have one extra product in my bag, and it is another brush. I got this with my reward points. This is a Boxy Contour Eyeshadow 4 brush. And like I said, I love getting brushes, and if you could get them for free, especially just for reviewing your own products, I mean, why not, right? It's just awesome. That is all for the bag of March for Ipsy. We shall see what next month also brings us. Hopefully we get more brushes and more stuff, like more skincare and stuff like that. I personally really like Ipsy. So far they have not disappointed me, and BoxyCharm, to be honest, is really a great subscription box to be subscribed to, especially if you are just starting your makeup collection and want to build up with some new brands and stuff like that. I believe Ipsy and BoxyCharm is the way to go. So I will leave down in the description box some links if you guys want to sign up for either Ipsy or BoxyCharm. And hope you guys like this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Love you.